complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. Today is a listening class to hear what you learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Thanks, Emma. I am ready to listen.
Great. We will listen to simple, real-life dialogues in English. First, we will notice vocabulary, months. Second, we will notice vocabulary, seasons of the year.
Good. I want to hear these words in normal conversations.
Exactly. Listen for the main idea first, and then notice useful words. Now, let's start with the main dialogues. Buying a jacket. Hello, I need a jacket for autumn.
Of course. What color do you like?
I like brown or black.
This brown jacket is very popular.
It looks nice. I want to wear it in October.
Good choice. October is often cool.
Do you have a small size?
Yes. Here is a small.
Great. I will take it.
Perfect. You can pay here.
Booking a haircut. Hello, I want a haircut, please.
Sure. What day is good for you?
Do you have time in June?
Yes. We have Friday at 10.
Friday at 10 is good.
May I have your name?
My name is Anna.
Thank you, Anna. You have an appointment on Friday at 10.
Thank you. See you in June.
See you then. Have a nice day.
Asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the city park?
It is near the bank, 2 streets from here.
Do I go straight?
Yes. Go straight, then turn left.
Is it a big park?
Yes. In spring, it has many flowers.
That sounds nice. Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy the park.
Sending a card. Good morning. I want to send this card to my mother. It is international. It is for her birthday in December.
Okay. A stamp is $2.
Here you are. Can you put the stamp on it?
Yes, no problem.
Is delivery slow in winter?
Sometimes, but this card should arrive in time.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Taking a taxi. Hello, are you my driver?
Yes, I am. Where are you going?
To Green Street office, please.
No problem. It is about 15 minutes.
Thank you. It is very hot this August.
Yes, I can turn on the air conditioning.
That is better. Thank you.
You are welcome. Summer days are busy for taxis.
Help with a package. Hi, can you help me with this box?
Sure. Is it heavy?
Yes, very heavy. Please hold this side.
Okay, Let us lift it together.
Thank you. It has winter coats inside.
That explains it. Coats can be heavy.
I need them before January.
We can put the box by your door.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Have a good evening.
Well done, Nexo. Listening to real dialogues helps us understand English in daily life.
Yes, the situations were simple and useful.
We also heard months and seasons in natural places.
I feel more ready to listen again.
Excellent. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye, everyone.